Hi students of class 6. Today we will start one new chapter, that is chapter 3, Tables in Word 2003. I will request everyone to open the book page 31. With the help of the book I will explain you the chapter and certain process I will show you in the computer too. Okay, let's start the chapter. Open page 31. Okay, now in this chapter we will learn about tables, how to use tables in Word. Now, table represent data in the form of row and column. The intersection of rows and column form a small rectangular box area called a cell. That means this one small box is called the cell. A row is the horizontal series of cell, while column is the vertical series of cell in a table. That means this one is called a row and this one is called a column, and this whole thing is called a table. Repeating it once again, one box is called the cell, this horizontal set of cell is called the row, vertical set of cell is called the column, and this whole thing together is called the table. Now, today's class we will learn about how to create table in Word. There are 6 ways of creating table. Now let's see how they are done in Word. Now, for creating the table, 6 ways I told you. Let us see what are the 6 ways. Using the grid button. This is the grid button. Using that we can create the table. Using the grid button we can create the table. Next, using the insert table option we can create the table. This is the insert table window. Next, using the draw table option we can create the table. This is the draw table option. Okay, and creating table using quick table. This is the quick table option over here. Quick table option. Using that we can, quick table option is there for creating the table. These are the and the last 2 ways are, we can also insert an Excel sheet in the file and use it like a table. Another thing is, we can also convert some existing data of our document into tabular form and use it. So, by using the Excel sheet we have the option over here, and we can convert some of the existing data of our document into tabular form. So, these are the 6 ways of creating a table in Word. Now one by one I will show it to you in the computer. Now first we have to go to the insert tab. Then click on the table option. Over here, using the grid button, this is the grid. So suppose we want to create 3 row and 3 column. Select it, click it, it will be inserted. See, you can see that 3 rows and 3 columns are created using the grid button. Next is using the insert table option. Click on insert tab, go to the table option. Insert table option is there. This is the insert table option. Click on it. This table will come. Over here, we can select the number of columns, suppose 4, and number of rows, suppose 2, and click OK. See, our table will be created. Next is draw table option. Again go to Insert tab. Click on Table option. See, Draw Table option is there. Click on Draw Table option. Over here, using the pencil, you can draw your own table as you want. Okay. Next, using the Quick Table option, go to Insert tab, click on Table. See, the last option is Quick Table option. Click. See, different options are given to you. You can scroll down and select it. Suppose this one. Click it. See, it will be inserted into the document window. Okay. And the last two options I told you, inserting through the Excel sheet. Here the option is there, Excel spreadsheet. Using this we can insert an Excel and start working with it. Another option you just see, as we have not selected any text, so this option is not coming. If we have selected any text, that time it will give us an option that convert that text to table. This is the sixth option of creating a table. Now I think all the 6 options are clear to you. Now, the 6 ways of creating a table I showed you in the computer and in the book. Please go through the book till page number 32. 6 ways you have to learn and remember. At least 4 you have to do it in the computer, and the last 2 just memorize it, because the question answer is there on writing the 6 ways of creating a table in Word. So today's HW is read the chapter till page 32 as we have done. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box, and stay at home, do your work. Bye bye.